As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun in the washing machine until it's damp. This one has already been turned inside out, and we're going to start with just a simple spiral. Now I'm going to try to take all the accordion folds and make sure well, these aren't really accordion folds. I'm going to try and take all the folds and keep them pretty shallow. No more than about 3/4 of an inch, and then add what I need in between and just work my way around. Okay. Let's go ahead and do this. And I think I'm about at 1 1/4 inch on some of this. I'm going to let that slide and not take the rest of it down any further for this test to see how this works. Alright, so I need 6 for this design. So there's my 6. I'm going to tighten that up a little if it needs it. Now this is going to be the back side. I'm going to go ahead and flip this and take a look real quick. Center those, and then go ahead and put a large one all the way around the circumference. Alright, so there we go. A regular spiral for the most part, and off to dye. Okay, for this I will be using Chinese red, orange crush, lemon yellow, new emerald green, turquoise, and power berry. These are all from Dharma. I've turned them all into liquids, and I have thickened them with guar gum. So for each of the liquids that were mixed up, it is 1 teaspoon of dye, 1 smidgen, and yes, it is an actual amount, of the guar gum, and 3 ounces of water. So I'm not mixing up much for each thing. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, once that side is done, I'm going to flip this 180 degrees. So the red is up here, I'm going to start the red 180 degrees off. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Actually, I did that wrong. That would be red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. You have to go the opposite direction since it's upside down. Alright, got this. I'm going to let this sit for a bit, probably, I don't know, 6 to 12 hours. And then we'll come back and do the next step. Alright, so this has been sitting for about 6 hours. I'm going to go ahead and put some foil down. Just going to pick a spot over here. Then I have Custom Colors dark black mixed up, about 16 ounces, and I'm going to pour that in. I'll let that sit for another 12 hours or so, and if it starts going down too much by being absorbed into the water, I'll go ahead and add some, but this should work until then. Alright, it's been over 24 hours. Let's go ahead and wash this out. Alright. So I'll throw this in the washing machine and then we'll take a final look. Here's the finished result. There's the bottom part and the back side. So I don't think the black actually absorbed anywhere. If it did, I feel it muted the colors. When I do this, I usually use the Dharma black, the better black, and not the dark black from Custom Colors. So I'm not sure if that's why I got the difference. But like this, I wasn't expecting that color of green. And then there's some oddness in the colors here too. So I'm not sure if it's because the black was bonding onto it or not. But I don't see with the thickened dye it having had this much coverage on the shirt. So I'm not sure exactly how this came out the way it came out. But overall it was the general idea I was looking for. So the colors are at 180 degrees to each other from the front and the back. So this is what I mean by that, like you have a front here and a back here as far as when it was originally folded. So that part did work properly. I'm just getting some odd things on here, and I don't know, it came out different than I expected. This blue would be correct to what I expected, but this is not. I feel like the dark black from Custom Colors bonded with my colors when I wouldn't have expected it to. I might redo this one just to see if not putting the black in that would leave me with a lot of white, I think, and that wasn't really what I was looking for either. So anyway, didn't come out like I expected. Still looks okay. And that's really all I have to say about this shirt. Until next time, thanks for watching.